has. Hey, platypus, I found a pumpkin. Oh, it's cool to see one, right? Yeah, I found a pumpkin. Look at it. It's so cute, right? Yeah, it is. But we need to get back to our adventure, you know? Okay, fine. It seems like an old day, right, everyone? Yeah. Oh no, a tornado! Ah! Oh no! The tornado hit us! Wait! My head feels dizzy! Wait! There's glistening colors! Oh no! Red! Green! Blue! Oh no! Oh, we're back. Yeah! Oh, wait. Our world's all destroyed! Oh no! Oh, hi guys. Wait, a dinosaur. Oh yeah, and I have a friend too. What's your friend? Yeah, this guy. Hi guys. Hi. Oh no, I'm gonna fall. Don't worry. I got you. There you go, you're okay. Don't worry, I got you. Thank you so much for saving me. You're welcome, Speckles. Yeah. It's my pleasure to save you. Green, are you okay? Have fun, Speckles. Wait, you know better than that. Oh, yeah. Nee.